Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, am I enough? In a world obsessed with perfection, it's easy to feel like you'll never measure up. But what if I told you? You were created with intentional design, purpose, and value beyond imagination. Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring a life-changing truth straight from Psalm 139:14. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. This isn't just a poetic line, it's a declaration of who you are. Imagine walking through an art gallery filled with unfinished paintings. They're messy, chaotic, and don't seem to make sense. You might be tempted to dismiss them as failures. Until the artist steps in and reveals the final masterpiece. That's how life feels sometimes. Unfinished, messy, incomplete. But Psalm 139:14 reminds us that we're not accidents or works in progress forgotten by the Creator. I am fearfully and wonderfully made means the artist is still at work. Maybe you've been labeled by others, or even yourself, as not good enough, flawed, or unworthy. But God's word says otherwise. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. When you doubt your worth, remember that you were handcrafted by the ultimate Creator. No one else can define your value because God already did. What if you chose to see yourself through God's eyes today? Not as a collection of flaws, but as a unique divine creation, fearfully and wonderfully made. Next time you face self-doubt, repeat Psalm 139:14. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Say it until you believe it. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a reminder of their worth. Drop a comment about how this truth has impacted your life. Remember, you are more than enough because you are fearfully and wonderfully made.